Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Libra placements. This is your short love reading. Okay, parang, whole month. Oo, titingnan natin, check natin yung person on your mind. Okay, so, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And, syempre, kung may tanong pagdating po sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po, pagdating kay Perception of Light and sa mga naghahanap ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi naman po. Okay? And, yes, don't forget na mag-follow, mag-subscribe sa akin pong second YouTube channel na Love Letter. Nasa description box below yung link. And, meron akong konting pabor, na paki-like rin, paki-follow, paki-subscribe, yung isang YouTube channel na nandyan rin po sa description box, sa ilalim. About animals. Okay. So, rescuing animals, mga ganyan. Okay. So, we love animals. No? We love pets. Oo, diba? And, pagdating sa ating mga items, okay, available lahat. Oo, yung ating protection from evil eye. We have ring, bracelets, necklace. Okay, and meron din tayong for love, for connection. So, ito yung nag-aalis and nagpapatibay sa mga samahan. Okay, ito yun. Si love bracelet natin, okay? And syempre, yung ating granter necklace. So, si granter, siya yung taga-grant ng mga minamanifest. Siya rin yung nagbibigay ng mga surprises, no? Oo, aside sa pag-grant ng mga minamanifest nyo. Yes, and syempre, si cord cut. Okay, yung ating pang cord cut. Pag-aalis ng mga hindi na kailangang energy na nakakapit pa sa inyo. Kaya ang bigat-bigat. Okay? So, let's start the reading, Libra. So, Libra, who is this person? Okay, let's see. The person on Libra's mind. Who is this person? Anong meron sa kanya, Libra? Tell me. Diba? Okay, let's see. Anong meron sa kanya, Libra? Anong meron dyan sa person mo? Who is this? Para alam mong siya to. Okay? The Knight of Cups in reverse. Could be a water sign. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. What's with that Knight of Cups in reverse? Some of them may pagka-hot and cold. Okay? Hindi yun lahat. Pero, the King of Wands in reverse. May nakuha akong energy dito. Somebody na pwedeng niloko ka. A player. Ginamit ka. Minanipula ka. Okay? Nagpagamit ka naman. Nagpamanipula ka naman. Yes, real talk. Pasensya na sa mga nadaan ng mga jingles. Jingles. Campaign jingles. Anyway. So, some of you, pwedeng mas bata sa'yo to. You have trust issue sa taong to. You don't trust them. Or you can't trust them anymore. So, anong meron? Anong kailangan mong malaman? Sa iba sa kanila, medyo mayabang. Babae, lalaki, kung ano naman ang gender niya. Okay? Magandang, parang magaling magsalita. Mabulaklak magsalita yung iba sa kanila. Pero, hindi sila consistent. Let's see. Ito si hashtag paasa to. Si King of Wands. Si hashtag Mr. or Miss Paasa. Diba? So, anong situation? Anong meron? Anong kailangan mong malaman sa sitwasyon ngayon, Libra? The Hermit in reverse. Okay. The Eight of Pentacles. It's not going anywhere. Yeah. Merong codependency. Yes. Nagkaroon ng codependency sa iba sa inyo. Sa mga nakipag-break na dito, maganda. Kasi wala naman ako nakikita ritong pagdating sa sitwasyon na may mangyayari. Oo. It's like para kang naglalakad sa isang madilim na lugar. Parang ganyan, hindi mo alam saan ka pupunta. Walang pinatutunguhan itong connection yun, itong taong to. So, much better kung ikaw ay nakipaghiwalay na dito or hiniwalayan ka, ayaan mo na. Yeah. Ayaan mo na. Pero kung ikaw, nandyan pa rin, nagstay ka pa rin, still choosing this person, still, over and over and over, then, wala ka naman, inaasahan. Okay, I don't know kung ano pa bang rason mo. Some of you, pwedeng may anak kayo nito or what. Okay? Pero, in general, there's no direction, no progress, no improvement pagdating sa connection na to. Yun ang kailangan mong malaman. Pwede kasing asa ka lang ng asa, pwede kasing parang nakokontrol ka, ganto ganyan, hindi na balance, mga ganyan. So, check nyo, baka nasa checklist nyo yung sinabi ko, o kapag na-perfect yun, edi alam mo na. Okay? So, codependency, the 9 of Pentacles, the 9 of Cups in reverse. Emotionally, some of you, emotionally and financially, merong codependency. Okay? Yeah. This person is so immature. Yes, so immature. Libra. So, what is their emotion right now for you? Let's see. What is their true emotion, like deep down? The 5 of Pentacles in reverse. Oh, yeah, they really need you. Ganun naman talaga every time na merong codependency sa isang connection. Kung sino man yung parang nangungontrol, nananakot, nagmamanipula, sila yung may kailangan sa'yo. Okay? Tandaan yun. Yun lang kasi ang kaya nilang gawin. Okay? Ikaw, marami. Kaya mong i-provide everything, kung ano man ang kailangan nila. Yeah, this person needs you. Some of you, you're in money-based connection. Yeah, the Queen of Wands. Alam nila kung saan sila kakapit. Okay? Alam nila. So, we have your pair, the King of Wands in reverse and the Queen of Wands. This is a pair. So, for me, alam ng taong to na ang ganda ng kinakapitan niya. Alam nito na ikaw yung magpo-provide. Yeah, the Queen of Wands, this is somebody who is, sabihin natin, confident. Some of you, talagang maganda ka, no? Okay? Pwedeng ikaw yung parang trophy, no? Para sa taong to. Pwede niya ipagmalaki, whatsoever. I don't know kung itong taong to kaya mo maipagmalaki. Okay? Parang complete package ka sa taong to. Pero bakit ka ginaganyan? Bakit? Anyway, so, ang nakikita ko lang dito na problem is their immaturity. The person's immaturity. Okay? Yeah, you're invested. They know na invested ka sa kanya even though nagagawa niya tong mga ganito sa'yo. Some of them, they always love bomb you, they always breadcrumb you. Yeah, that's their way. Kung paano nila maipakita na love kanila. And yeah, don't settle for less, Libra. Don't settle for less. What is your next action? What is their next action? Alam mo, Libra, kung kayo magkahiwalay nito, they still admire you. They still adore you. Okay, some of them, they're thinking of you sexually. Okay? The 9 of Swords in reverse. Their next action is the 9 of Swords in reverse. And the Hierophant in reverse. Still no commitments. 10 of Wands. Itong taong to, maraming option to, sa totoo lang. Okay? May pagka matigas ang ulo or sabihin nating hindi mo kaya makontrol tong taong to. Pride, ego, nandyan. Kaya kang talikuran yan. Kasi marami siyang supporters. O, diba? Yes, hindi lang ikaw. King of Wands in reverse, the Knight of Cups in reverse. Nako. Oo, 1,000,000%. May pagka, ano mo na, cheater. Okay? So, yeah, their next action is to drop this. Kasi alam iba sa inyo, alam mo naman na merong mga option to. Okay? Kapag wala na tong option, wala na siyang mapuntahan, matik sa'yo tututungo kung kayo ay magkahiwalay. Okay? Pero kung kayo ngayon ay magkasama, hindi mo pa rin mararamdaman na parang meron kang karelasyon. Hindi to magko-commit. Para tong cool na cool lang. Walang tension na nararamdaman itong taong to. Malaman lang sabihin nating takot if ever na gumawa siya ng hindi maganda, iiwan mo. Wala siyang ganon. Wala. Okay? Pero Libra, mataas ang tingin sa'yo ng taong to. Alam nito kung anong kaya mong gawin. Okay? Marunong lang talaga itong magmanipula ng sitwasyon, ng emosyon mo, ng kung ano man. Ikaw ang mas malakas dito, Libra. Sa totoo lang. Okay? Some of them, they're younger. Pasahin ka na naman nito kung ikaw ay kung kayo magkasama pa rin hanggang ngayon. Andyan yung mga promises, andyan yung mga love bomb. Okay? Ang galing nito. Dapat logic ka rin, logical, hindi emotional. Okay? Hindi emotion ang pinapatakbo nito, kundi utak. Some of them, they are hustler. A hustler. Sanay na. So, let's see your potential outcome this April. The 10 of Pentacles universe. Some of you, this is money-based. Oo, talaga, money-based. So, there's this issue pa rin na pwedeng hindi ma-fix. Yeah, the Temperance universe. This is like blaming energy. Blame. Hindi to papatalo. Ace of Wands. The Eight of Wands universe. Yeah, it's like parang ganyan. Okay? Taas, baba. Parang ganyan yung energy. In and out, in, out, in, out. Parang ganyan. On, off. Parang ganyan. So, lagi na lang tong failed start or false start. Okay? Parang malamig na makina. Parang ganyan. Pwedeng mamatay. Okay? Parang ganon. I don't know. Unstable. Okay? So, there is imbalance. Yeah. Wag mo hayaang maapektuhan yung pamimera mo, pamumuhay mo because of this person. Kung kayo may anak na ng taong to, wala pa rin eh. Wala akong nakikitang pagbabago dito. Kung anong sitwasyon nyo, yung nakaraan, ganun pa rin. Kung ito bumabawi-bawi kahit papano, sa umpisa lang. Opo, sa umpisa lang to. Sinasabi ko na, para gawin nyo ng gabay. Okay? Huwag nyong sasabihin, naman, mali, pangit na naman. Hindi to pangit. Gawin nyong gabay. Okay? So, para aware. Para alam nyo gagawin nyo. Okay? So, madalas ang away, nakikita ko dito. Madalas ang awayan, madalas ang sisihan kung kayo ay magkasama. Okay? Pero kung kayo hiwalay na, wala akong nakukuha pagbabalikan dito. Okay? Yung maganda na pagbabalikan. Yung talagang long term, wala. Pero asahan mo, pwede yan mag-in and out sa buhay mo. Okay? Could be money-based, sex-based, whatsoever. Okay? So, there. So, tayo tungo muna sa all signs for you, Libra. Okay. All signs are through Pisces for Libra placements. Aries, they're moving on. Or you have to move on from this Aries. Taurus, you got their attention. Yeah. Gemini, they love you. Nababalitan sa iyo si Gemini, Libra. You have something like They want your, like care, parang ganyan. Cancer, feeling a missed opportunity with you. Leo, they're curious. Yeah, they're curious. Virgo, some of them nakaka-let go na. Okay? Libra, they want to communicate. They want to express how they feel. I think they like you. Scorpio. So, alam mo tong sa Scorpio, they feel weak. Okay, they feel weak maybe without you. Kapag hindi ka nakikita, hindi ka nakakasama, they feel weak. Okay? Sagittarius, indecisive. Some of them, they have options. Capricorn, inisip ka ni Capricorn actually. Aquarius, they want to reunite. Gusto nila makipagbalikan, some of them, pero they're like avoiding it. Avoiding the sabihin nating thinking, no? Pagdating sa pakikipag-ayos, pakikipagbalikan. Pisces, so this is healing energy. Yeah, the Wheel of Fortune. The Star. Yeah, that's healing. The Ten of Swords, Universe. So, maybe you have to heal from this from this Pisces. Okay? So, there. Yeah. Death Universe. Yun ang aking reading for you, Libra placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our FB page and yung ating dalawang YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Yeah, kita-kita tayo doon. So, again, thank you. Goodbye.